Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a couple of essentials. Your Vivo phone is updated and charged, and you know which apps distract you most. Open Settings, go to Focus Mode or Digital Wellbeing, and choose Create. Once done, tap Select Apps and mark the apps to pause. This is the action that enforces silence. Make sure to pick notifications and background activity restrictions too, because that is how Focus Mode keeps interruptions out while you work. Next, you refine how Focus Mode behaves so it fits your workflow. Choose Allowed Apps for critical tools and set call exceptions if you expect specific contacts. This prevents missed urgent calls. Then configure a schedule, recurring blocks, start/end times, or manual activation so it activates automatically. Also make sure Do Not Disturb and lock screen notification settings are aligned, otherwise alerts can still appear. Once configured, test to complete setup, start Focus Mode and verify that targeted apps pause and notifications stop. You should see a status indicator. Use the quick tile or widget for one-tap control and end the session when you're finished. If things go wrong, apps still notify or timers fail, first reboot the phone, then reapply app permissions and notification access. If the problem persists, reset Focus Mode settings and recreate the profile. That usually clears conflicts with Do Not Disturb or battery optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.